Are lizard people running the world? Let's talk reptilians. All right, buckle up, folks, because today we're diving headfirst into one of the weirdest, most persistently entertaining conspiracy theories out there: reptilians. Yep, those cold-blooded, shape-shifting, interdimensional lizard overlords supposedly running our planet from the shadows. Or from Buckingham Palace. Hard to say, really. So where did this scaly story even begin? Well, you can thank David Icke, a former sports broadcaster turned full-time conspiracy theorist. In the 1990s, Icke started claiming that many world leaders, royalty, and influential figures were actually reptilian aliens in disguise. Not metaphorically, literally. Giant lizards wearing human suits. And apparently they have a taste for power, manipulation, and maybe the occasional human snack. You know, as one does. According to this theory, these creatures originate from the Alpha Draconis star system. Because if you're going to invent a sci-fi villain, why not give them a cool galactic address, right? Now, reptilians aren't just your average interstellar tourists. Nope. They're part of a highly organized ancient bloodline that has secretly infiltrated human civilization for thousands of years. Pharaohs, reptilian, Roman emperors, also reptilian, George W. Bush, definitely, Beyonce, don't be ridiculous, she's obviously queen of the lizard people. Let's pause here. You might be thinking, surely nobody actually believes this, right? Oh, sweet summer child. In a 2013 poll, about 4% of Americans said they believed in shape-shifting reptilians controlling the world. That's over 12 million people. For comparison, more Americans believe in lizard overlords than can name all 3 branches of government. Let that sink in. So, what's the evidence? Well, there is none. Unless you count grainy YouTube videos where someone's eyelids blink weirdly during a TV interview, or photos where a celebrity's pupils look a little too vertical, that's about as close as it gets. And yet, the theory lives on. Why? Because it taps into something deeper than lizard drama. The reptilian theory, like many conspiracies, is a metaphor gone rogue. It reflects real fears of unaccountable power, secret control, and being manipulated by elites. Saying the system is rigged doesn't hit as hard as our leaders are actually alien reptiles drinking baby blood. It's more exciting. It's cinematic. It's also, just to be clear, complete nonsense. And let's not forget the good old anti-Semitism hiding in the shadows. A lot of these elite bloodline conspiracies recycle old, harmful tropes, just dressed up in lizard skins. It's the same hate with extra sci-fi seasoning. So, why do people keep falling for it? Because conspiracies give simple answers to complex problems. They make you feel like you're in on the secret. You've seen through the lies. While everyone else is watching Netflix, you're reading between the lines and spotting the scales beneath the suits. But here's the thing. Real problems, like income inequality, political corruption, climate change, they're not caused by space reptiles. They're caused by humans. Flawed, greedy, power-hungry humans, which honestly is almost scarier. Still, the reptilian myth has its cultural appeal. It's inspired countless memes, mockumentaries, and the internet's favorite pastime, zooming in on a celebrity's eyeballs. And hey, who are we to ruin the fun? Just remember, if you ever find yourself seriously wondering whether your neighbor might be a shape-shifting alien from Alpha Draconis, maybe take a walk, touch some grass, and log off for a bit.